Guys, how are you? If you're looking for how to view LinkedIn profile anonymously, or how you can view the LinkedIn profile private mode, so I'm going to show you in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here I'm on my LinkedIn. So I don't have private premium. I just use a normal LinkedIn account. So I will tell you why you need the premium to view the anonymously. So let me go on profile and click on your this me icon. Go to the setting and privacy, and under account preference, sorry, under the visibility, just click on visibility, your profile and network, and profile viewing option. You have to click on it, and here you can see the three options, the your name and headlines. Here you can see select what select the what others see when you view your profile. Okay, so this is a normal mode that people can see your name and all details, and this is private and characteristic mode where people can only see your heading and designation. They not able to see your photos. In private mode or anonymously LinkedIn member mode, here they unable to see your details, name, anything. They just see the anonymous LinkedIn member. Okay. uh, okay, so here if you select this private mode, you can see you can also not able to view, and your feature also disabled that allow you to view who view your profile, and it will be erase your viewer history. Okay, so still if you want to use these features with this private mode, that you need to upgrade your account with premium. Okay, so if you upgrade your account to premium, you will also see, you can see the all details and the visitor history even you are into private mode. So just click on private mode if you want to view others profile anonymously, and just close after save, and just come back, and now you can check the other profiles. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.